All right, quick update. You know, you got to love YouTube. Man, I've learned so much from YouTube. It's incredible. Past 10 years, I made a beautiful walnut and mahogany uh, bookshelf for my office, all from YouTube. All the electronic stuff I know from YouTube. And of course, all this stuff. So I continued on with this guy and I showed Skycollection. And of course, thank God for him. He came up with a much more effective and simpler way to do it. I'm still going to do this guy, the silicone mold, because the first one I did was just kind of a test, and that one kind of came out lopsided and crappy. This one should be a lot better because the mold was a lot better. You can see this one compared to, where is the other one? Oh yeah, this one compared to this one, you can pretty much see it. This is a superior form. But then he told me, he said, dude, he said, just make a couple of acrylic internal washers to your tube and slide the magnets in that way. And so that's what I did with this guy. This was a pain in the ass, but it came out okay. And then you cut a little hole in there and you fill it with the resin. But this should work beautifully. But it was a pain because, of course, I didn't cut anything exactly right, but it'll still work. It'll still be fine. I'm still waiting for um, my thin-walled copper tube to come in. I ordered some millimeter thick. I'm going to use that for my next one. This, again, is just kind of like a test rotor. And I am going to make a star rodent coil or a star ship coil or a star coil, whatever it's called. And I'm going to make this one a bifilar star. And I'm going to try to encase it in resin. I got the resin fever. And so we'll see how that works. But this guy should be good. This should be, there's north, south, north, south. So that should work out good. And that's only 4. Now, he had said if you're going to do a Windows motor, you should use probably 6. But this is too small to use 6. And this is not going to be a Windows motor. This is going to be for my Maglev. It's going to go just like that. Hopefully. All right, I just wanted to show you guys that. So this is the newer process, which worked out pretty good. Again, I got to put a little hole there or put a hole in there and fill it up. I'm not really sure. I got to seal it all up. I'll seal it all up with some putty or some crazy glue. Not crazy glue. Some hot glue, and then fill it up with resin. But I'm still going to do this guy simply because I had already made the form for it. And then hopefully I'll have this thing wound within the next couple of days. Ciao.